For the time being, distance learning is the new normal for Charles County Public Schools. While schools are closed through April 24th, teaching and learning will continue. Teachers will reach out to their students later this week to ensure everyone is on the same page as we embark on this new way to support teaching and learning. Our technology team has spent the first 2 weeks of the closure getting laptops ready for teachers who needed them. When this project was complete, they began to reconfigure more than 2,400 laptops for students to use while schools are closed. On the last day schools were open, students took a survey about whether they had internet at home and access to a laptop or tablet. For students who were absent that day, an email was sent to their parents or guardians. Follow-up phone calls were made to families who didn't have an email on file with the school system. We're working to get laptops into students' hands who need them, and will begin distribution in the next week or so. Your school's administrative team will arrange pickup times and dates for parents to retrieve laptops. Parents will need to verify their child's name and student ID number. The pickup process will be completed with appropriate health and safety precautions in place. For families that need internet access, CCPS has teamed up with AT&T FirstNet to provide 4 temporary hotspots at Pickawaxen and Matthew Henson Middle Schools and Mount Hope Nanjemoy and T.C. Martin Elementary Schools. These locations were selected based on our survey, hotspot maps provided by Comcast and Verizon, and a recent broadband survey conducted by the county government. When instruction begins, middle and high school students will use Apex Learning, an online learning platform that is already being used by students enrolled in the virtual academy. Teachers will become familiar with Apex this week and then work with their students on how to use Apex for learning. Elementary school learning activities will be posted on ccboe.com. Students can also complete their work on paper. Assignments will be available for pickup at the 11 meal sites, much like the optional learning resources we provided during the last 2 weeks. If you choose to complete the work on paper, your teachers will ask you to keep the assignments together to be turned in later for a grade. We plan to roll out online and paper packets starting Friday, April 3rd. This is new territory for all of us, and we appreciate your patience as we walk through this together. We know there will be bumps in the road, and we will make adjustments as needed. During these uncertain times, there are things that remain certain. Teachers want to support students, and students are eager to learn. As long as we all work together, we will get through this together. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will continue to keep you updated.